Performing a blade shakedown, you can shuriken a nearby enemy.
School's out for summer. School's out forever.
Suggestion: deactivate alarms to avoid enemy reinforcements. When the meter fills, the enemy can see you.
You're not a nice feeling. Holy crap. Where's my gun? He's behind cover. Ready to be out yourself.
Leave no enemies functioning.
You're out on fire. We have active security pointing digital.
Use the weapon wheel subroutine to access your other weapons.
No nanomeds left. Daddy needs his medicine.
You don't have that. We have active security pointing digital. Holy crap. Now get it quick. We found cover. Holy shit. Not okay. Yeah. Okay.
Objective complete.
Briar Patch, why didn't you tell us this was a Megaforce?
They were a Megaforce. Now Sloan's gone rogue, and we need to know why. Penetrate the bunker and download the data from the mainframe.
Rex, this is Sloan. Colonel Ike Sloan.
I served under him too, Spider. No way he went rogue. Not him.
Ready to put a bullet in the big man?
Let's just get to the mainframe and figure out what the hell is going on.
Eliminate
It's a
all
Megaforce, all right.
Megaforce soldiers while protecting Spider. Reminder, after a blade takedown, you can chain kill nearby enemies. Protecting heavily armored cyber soldiers. Use heavy ordnance.
You got no weapon.
What are they building here? I mean, that's a high-speed Heterodyne 8000 assembly. Those things killed all the goddamn factory jobs in Detroit.
You get to that catwalk. Sweep and clear all those motherfuckers.
Use the catwalk to quietly position yourself above the enemy before dropping down on them.
Okay, let's do this. Fire in the hole.
Objective failure. Lieutenant Brown has died before completing your objective.
You get to that catwalk. Sweep and clear all those motherfuckers.
Use the catwalk to quietly position yourself above the enemy before dropping down on them.
Jesus.
Detecting Molotov units. Keep your distance and target their expensive taste in accelerants.
You ready for it?
Protecting heavily armored cyber soldiers. Use heavy ordnance.
I'm taking you down with extreme fighting. Down. Out in the open. You're going down. Holy crap.
Go get it, boy.
Who's this shit? Time for a reload.
Shake it off.
Let's find that mainframe.
Oh yeah.
That's a high-orbit red spear. Thought all those motherfuckers were decommissioned.
Last I heard, we were still using them. Testing payload dispersal up in the Canadian wastelands.
What kind of payload?
I don't think I want to know.
Objective complete. Mainframe located.
There it is.
We found the mainframe.
Secure that intel.
Work your black magic, Lieutenant.
Hey, don't be hating a brother for his skills now.
Alert. Unauthorized access detected. Kimball bunker. Enter passcode.
You have 20 seconds to comply.
Spider.
I know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Failsafe countermeasures active. Beginning pre-launch diagnostics. Initiating decapitation strike protocols.
The Hilo is picking up multiple heat signatures converging on you.
It's moving into position, Lieutenant. I'll cover you.
You better.
Objective. Protect Lieutenant Brown while he hacks the mainframe.
I'm gonna have to hijack the system. This could burn out my main Cortex CPU.
Just come back in one piece. You got a wife and kid waiting for you.
Hey, Rex. If this don't work, you tell them. You tell them I died for my country.
You tell her that yourself. You hear me?
Right. There goes the fist jack. There it is. I penetrated the first layer of
microchip bot.
Just do it.
Hacking the ROM drive. Another minute.
Work faster.
Through the ramp. One more time.
You have no weapon. You got no chance. No chance.
I'm reversing the code polarity. Almost there.
You want to do well.
I'm recoding CPU sockets.
Hurry.
Rush protection, baby.
You're wanted isolated.
Recompiling the motherboard! Just a few more seconds!
Objective complete.
I did it! Yeah!
Objective failed.
What?
Pre-launch test complete. Coordinates uploaded.
Spider! Focus, Lieutenant. What am I supposed to do? Shit. Hilo 7-3. Requesting immediate evac. Lieutenant Brown is down.
Kilo 7-3, inbound.
Rex! Too much information! AI corrupted! Blood!
Decapitation strike countdown has begun.
Tell me what to do.
Missile launch autonomous! Get to the control plate!
What?
Out the ignition controls! On the control box! Shoot the brain cage! Rex, shoot the...
Shit. HUD, locate the missile control panel for me.
5x5. Highlighting objective. Objective. Disable secondary ignition controls.
Missile in position. Decapitation strike countdown continuing. Memory corruption in sector Alpha Alpha Zulu.
T-minus 120 seconds to launch.
Memory corruption in sector Lama Delta. Countdown revised.
T-minus 30 seconds to launch.
Memory corruption in sector Omega Charlie Libra. Countdown revised.
T-minus 90 seconds to launch.
Memory corruption in sector Tango Kilo Oscar. Countdown revised.
T-minus 15 seconds to launch.
Memory. Ignition controls offline. Countdown aborted. Countdown aborted. Countdown aborted.
Kilo 7-3, on approach.
HUD rebooting. Stand by.
They're back online, Colonel.
Thank you, darling.
That's Dr. Darling. Dr. Elizabeth Veronica Darling.
Colonel Sloan, it's us. Sergeant Rex Power Colt. Lieutenant T.T. Brown.
Of course. They sent you boys after me? Now that right there is a definition of insanity. Darling, you are looking at two genuine Mark IVs. Top of the line. And they're dead.
I know what happened to your face.
Price of power, boys. She's a mean, demanding bitch. She's a wildcat in the sack.
Sir, what happened? They said you went off the reservation. It's gotta be a mistake.
Ever since the nuking of Canada and the invasion of Australia, the world's been floundering something fierce. We've lost our way, gentlemen. And now the government, our government, talks reconciliation with the Red Menace. But I have a means to redress the balance.
Rex, he's lost it, man.
What are your orders regarding me and Omega Force, huh? How much does Washington know?
I'm sorry, sir. I respect you, but I can't.
And you've bought into their goddamn lies. What a pity. Did you download my mainframe into your Cortex?
Fuck you. I know what you're planning.
Your Mark IVs were smart, but way too independent-like.
What the fuck?
Ooh, yeah. Anyone can be brought in line or be taken offline. No! You are dead. I imprinted you Mark IVs with all my combat savvy, right? Tell you what, I'm giving you a shot at the brass ring, boy.